Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? So today here we have some beautiful lady dress designs. Look, they are so much beautiful. You can see different designs. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And next video that I should make, can you comment me, please? Comment me down which type of video should I make. And look at these designs, they're so much beautiful, and they have many things like beautiful designs. You can copy hairstyles, how to hold the scarf with them, and look, too much beautiful shoes. You can see how to wear those shoes, how we can make the style, the combination between the contrast between all the dresses, sleeves, shoes and pants. You can see so much beautiful. You can also take scarves on by your head, and look, they're too much beautiful. You can see the designs. You can copy these dresses for any function you go, like it's Eid also. You can make these dresses and wear or buy them. They're really so much beautiful. I love these dresses. Let's be quiet and first see that how does it look like. Look, it looks so beautiful. I hope you love it. Look, they're really too much beautiful dresses. Actually, I love the designs of the women they have. It's really fancy and beautiful. Look at them. It's really interesting. Wow. Too much. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Thanks. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.